Graph y equals negative x plus 1 whole thing to the power of 2 plus 4. Identify the vertex, axis of a symmetry, and the y-intercept. Alright, so we will use vertex form. Y is a times x minus h squared plus k. Well, the vertex will be h comma k. Axis of a symmetry will be x equal to h. Let's compare this to the question given to us. Y is negative x plus 1 squared plus 4. Now, to get the same form, x minus 1 whole thing to the power of 2 plus 4. Now then, your a is less than 0. So we know that the graph will be upside down U-shape, and your h is negative 1, your k is 4. So you can say your vertex is negative 1 comma 4, and axis of a symmetry will be x equal to negative 1. Again, axis of a symmetry, if you don't recognize right away, that's all right. You graph it first, and then you will see the axis of a symmetry. So here, main focus is the vertex and the shape. So where's my vertex? Negative 1 comma 4 right here. Now again, try to pay attention to that negative 1. If you remember where we started, negative x squared, the graph will be upside down U shape. That's 1. And this will be 1 comma negative 1. So that means that this is a parallel shift, right? So you go to the right by 1 and down by 1. This will be the another point of the graph. And since this is symmetrical, you will have the counterparts on the other side of the axis of symmetry. So again, this will be the axis of a symmetry, the one that passes through the vertex. So the graph will be drawn this way. And make sure put an arrow indicating that it's going forever. So the vertex is negative 1 comma 4, and axis of a symmetry is x equals negative 1. Y-intercept will be, well, here, even though we kind of found the y-intercept, always double check. That will be y when x is equal to 0, negative 1 squared plus 4. So that's negative 1 plus 4, that's a 3. So y-intercept will be 3. Now, we tried it with a vertex form, but I always prefer transformation translation, okay? So here, we started with y equals negative x squared. You already know the graph. And then, instead of x, you put x plus 1. Instead of y, pay attention, that's y minus 4. Why? Because y minus 4 is negative x plus 1 squared. That negative 4, by adding 4 to both sides, you get y that is equal to negative x plus 1 squared plus 4. So by now, you should be able to skip this step, okay? So that's what we have. This is a move left by 1. This is a move up by 4. Remember, you always think of the opposite. It's a plus 1. You have a strong urge to say, yeah, adding 1, but no, it's subtracting 1. So it's a move left. Well, to give you an idea, to get 0, to get same 0, your x need to be negative 1. That's what's happening. So x is actually getting negative value. So that's why it's moving left by 1.